नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप देख रहे हैं प्रेस्टीज मीडिया और आज हमारे साथ टॉक विद सेलिब्रिटी में है द ग्रेट सुष्मिता मुखर्जी. वी वेलकम यू मैम.
Thank you.
So ma'am, the first question of us to you is, what is KIF really to you and what was the thought of you when you wanted to start it?
So KIF started with the intention of the founder Raja Bundela ji that the cinema that is not available here in Bundelkhand in terms of the movie halls or the cinema culture or the so-called Bollywood culture and so-called international cinema and regional cinema is not prevalent here, and he wanted the youth of Bundelkhand to have the ability to see this without going out of Bundelkhand. So he used to always say that, you cannot get the children to go to maybe Bombay to New York. Why doesn't Bombay and New York come to Bundelkhand? So Khajuraho International Film Festival was started with that intention.
Right. So ma'am, we really wanted to know something about your book, Banj.
Well, Banj is my second book. I started my writing career with Me and Joey Baby, which was published by Speaking Tiger. And then Banj is really a collection of stories which are very women-centric, and it's been written over many years. It's been my journey as a woman, as a young girl, and then as a wife, then as a mother, and now going to be mother-in-law. So it's been a journey, and the various factors of my own development as a woman in today's society. I think Banj is a collection of all whatever's going through all these years.
Right. And that is amazing. And I wanted to even ask that what is the difficulties or differences that you face between daily operas and movies?
I'm sorry, what is the question again?
I wanted to know the differences and difficulties that you might face between daily operas, serials and movies.
You mean daily soap, yes. Soap operas and movies. See, daily operas and soaps have now become very difficult to do. As a young woman, I had that stamina to do 14 hours, 18 hours. At sometimes even during the time of Balaji, I would even be sleeping overnight in the vans. And it was a very tough time. Now it's become, still the technology and the language is still difficult because you're getting scenes at the last minute and you have to can 8 scenes a day and you have to put 23 minutes a day. So there's a lot of pressure. But of course, movies and OTT are much better. And I'm currently doing a web series called Dabba Cartel for Excel Media with Shabana Azmiji, a lot of very fine actors. So it's beautiful. In fact, I was delayed because of that. I'm shooting for them. It's you do 2-3 scenes a day and you do it with lot of detail. You have the script beforehand. So it's very easy, it's very comfortable, and you actually enjoy the process of acting. Otherwise, with television, kya ho raha tha, you just got exhausted.
Right. So ma'am, the last question that we really want to ask you is, what is the most favorite role that you've played in?
Very difficult question. Which is your favorite child? It's like that. Or everyone has a favorite. I don't really have a favorite because I think each and every performer that I do, the character that I play, resonates with me at some level. So at that particular time when I'm doing it, it's my favorite.
Right.
When I look back, I can't say that was my favorite. I think most of whatever I have done has touched some chord in me, which is registered and made me like that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.